Hello students, today's topic is article writing. First of all, what is an article writing? An article writing is a kind of writing that is written to reach a massive audience with the help of newspapers, magazines and journal. Usually, article is written to publish in newspaper, magazines and journals. It is written to express personal opinions or present information on a variety of themes. The purpose of writing article is to raise concern towards social issues or to attract attention of the reader towards an issue or event, place of interest, activity, etc. Now we will know format of an article writing. We will know how to write an article. First of all, we have to write title or heading. What is asked in the question, you have to write title or heading according to your question. It should be suitable to your question, such as the importance of newspaper, mobile phones, boom or ban, global warming, whatever given in the question. Title or heading of an article should be self-explanatory so that it can draw the reader's attention. It should be eye-catching and precise yet complete. If you want to make it more attractive, you can write the letter of every word in uppercase. Now, then after byline, here we have to write the name of the writer by whom the article is being written. Then body, usually it consists three parts: introduction, main body and conclusion. And these three parts should maintain a link throughout. First of all, introduction. This is the first part of the body. While writing introduction, it should include thought-provoking lines for developing reader's attention. Here we can start with quotation, observation, questions, etc. So it is very much important. While writing introduction, you should start like that. It's able to draw reader's attention. So we can start with some famous quotation. We can start with some question or observation. If you are writing observation. Now, second is main body. This is one of the most important part of format writing. It should underline aspect such as cause, effect, merit and demerit. We have to use different method while writing main body. If we write an article on mobile phones, boon or bane, we can use advantage as well as disadvantage. Now, third and last part of an article writing is conclusion. It presents writer's ideas, comments, criticism, recommendation. You can also sum up with an appeal. Now, if you are going to write impact of global warming, you can use your own view. Features of an article writing. We should know about the main features of an article writing. Here I will give you some tips how to write an article. Language should be formal. We should not use colloquial language. A heading must be appropriate to the subject. We should always write a suitable heading for article. Give examples to support your argument. If you are giving your argument, you have to give enough examples, suitable examples. Conclusion should be brief, thought-provoking, suggestion, recommendation. Conclusion always should be thought-provoking. You can also give suggestion for some problem. You can also recommend your ideas. It should be written within 120 to 150 words. Word limits should be there as it is asked in the question paper. Thank you.